Question 3. Consider a system of many interacting particles. Let each particle have a potential energy V of r with respect to any other particle, where V of r is proportional to r to the n, where r is the distance to another particle and n is an integer. For such particles, the Varial theorem relates the time-averaged total kinetic energy of all of the particles t tot to the time-averaged total potential energy v tot as follows. If the particles in our system interact only via gravity, what is the time-averaged total energy E tot of the system? Okay, let's start off with an expression for E tot. So we know that the total time-averaged energy of the system will be the sum of all of the kinetic and all of the potential time-averaged energies. So we can write that as using the notation in the question, the kinetic energy is T tot and the potential energy is V tot. If you look at the potential answers, we need to have E tot in terms of V tot. And basically that means we need some sort of relationship between V tot and T tot. So we can use this equation 1 here that we're given. Now what's N? Well, we're told what N is here. It's how the potential energy relates to the distance between the two particles. And for gravity, you should know that this relationship is V is proportional to 1 over R. And that's it. If you don't remember that, the way I like to remember it is that you know that the force or the gravitational force between two objects is proportional to their square distance, 1 over their square distance. And we know that force is the derivative of potential with respect to R. If that doesn't make any sense, don't worry. This is the key bit of information that needs to come out of your head. The fact that the potential energy is proportional to 1 over the distance. So this gives us that N is equal to -1. So then if we write out equation 1, we have 2 lots of T tot equals -1 lot of V tot. Or rather, T tot equals -1/2 of V tot. Okay, call that equation 2. Now if we sub equation 2 in down here, what do we get? Well, we know that T tot is -1/2 V tot plus 1 lot of V tot is 1/2 V tot. Therefore, the answer is C.